Hello there, I'm Eric and I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back to my channel for another video. Do you want to make money? If you ask what the most profitable business is right now, it's definitely selling water. A bottle of water might sell for $1 in the supermarket, but its cost is only 1 cent. Can you believe that? The massive consumption and extremely high profit margins have attracted countless entrepreneurs to rush into this business. The bottled water industry. So today, let's talk about how to set up a complete bottled water production line. Bottled water mainly consists of two parts. First is the water purification equipment at the front end, and second is the filling and packaging equipment at the back end. Today, we'll mainly talk about how the filling and packaging production line is set up. Of course, if you want to sell water, you first need bottles, which brings us to our first piece of equipment, the bottle blowing machine. To save on shipping costs and space, factories absolutely do not buy ready-made bottles from outside. Instead, they purchase batches of plastic preforms that look like test tubes. We then put these preforms into the bottle blowing machine. After being processed under high temperature and high pressure, the preforms are turned into finished water bottles. After the bottle blowing machine finishes producing the bottles, they are piled together in a messy heap. At this point, we need something. The equipment is called the unscrambler. The unscrambler will organize the messy bottles so that they are all upright, with the mouths facing up and the bottoms facing down. Then, through the conveying system, the bottles are neatly delivered to the filling machine. After that, we arrive at the most crucial piece of equipment in the entire production line. The 3-in-1 machine. The rinsing, filling, and capping equipment. First, a robotic arm grabs the neck of the bottle and flips the bottle 180 degrees in the air so that the mouth faces downward. Purified water is then forcefully sprayed inside to clean it thoroughly. After that, a valve seals the bottle mouth and purified water is precisely filled from above. No more, no less. Finally, the capper puts the cap on. It is tightened magnetically. The filled bottles then pass through a laser printer. At this point, with a snap, the laser beam precisely engraves the production date, expiration date, and batch number onto the neck or cap of the bottle within a millisecond. After the date is printed, the bottles continue moving forward to the appearance stage. Here, you can use a labeling machine to quickly apply a ring-shaped plastic label onto the bottle body. After passing through a heat shrink oven, the label instantly shrinks and sets in place. Alternatively, you can use a labeling machine like this to apply the label directly. A high-end self-adhesive label is applied. Of course, this machine is even cheaper. After the production date is printed and the label is applied, the bottled water goes through the final packaging stage. You can choose a shrink wrap machine, which wraps the bottles in plastic film and then heats it to shrink into a package. Alternatively, you can opt for a fully automatic carton packaging machine that automatically opens, seals, and packs the boxes. If you are also preparing your own bottled water project, feel free to contact us via private message at any time. Follow me to learn more about the water purification industry.